Gigabyte GO27Q24G. Gaming Monitor Review, Best Budget QHD Gaming Monitor for Fast-Paced Games. If you want a fast QHD gaming monitor with OLED picture quality, the Gigabyte GO27Q24G is a very interesting option. But is this 240Hz OLED actually worth buying? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The GO27Q24G features a 27-inch OLED panel with a 2560 by 1440 QHD resolution and a 240Hz refresh rate. It also has an extremely fast 0.03 milliseconds GTG response time, making it especially appealing for fast-paced games and competitive FPS titles. Because it's OLED, you get deep blacks, very high contrast, and excellent image quality. Gigabyte lists 99% DCI-P3 coverage, 10-bit color, and HDR support, with peak brightness reaching up to 1300 nits in supported HDR conditions. For gaming, you also get VRR support, G-Sync compatibility, OLED anti-flicker features, black equalizer, and ultra-clear for improved motion clarity in supported modes. Connectivity is solid, with two HDMI 2.1 ports, DisplayPort 1.4, USB-C, and a headphone jack. The stand is also flexible, offering height, tilt, swivel, and pivot adjustment. But there are compromises. The glossy screen can show reflections in bright rooms, and the older OLED subpixel layout can make small text look less sharp than some newer OLED panels. There's also no built-in speaker. For fast-paced gaming, though, the combination of QHD resolution, 240Hz refresh rate, and OLED response makes this a very strong package. So, is it worth buying? If gaming is your priority and you want OLED contrast and high refresh rates without moving to 4K, the GO27Q24G is a compelling choice. For heavy productivity or text-focused work, a different panel may be better. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with your thoughts on the Gigabyte GO27Q24G.